This is a review of the Duckin's Decent Beef Sandwich Kit. The Duckin is located in Chicago, Illinois. The Duckin was started in 2014. The Decent Beef Sandwich Kit arrived fine. One note is that the giardiniera is not in a jar as stated on the website but is in a plastic packet. The meat is prime rib of beef. The sweet peppers are red bell peppers in olive oil infused with basil, garlic, rosemary, and oregano. The hot giardiniera is made of beef base, onions, flour, yeast, salt, carrots, olives, cauliflower, vinegar, and celery. The Decent Beef sandwiches were made several times. The sandwiches were initially made following the online preparation instructions which do not specify the order of the toppings. The cheese was added last initially. Thus in the photos of the sandwich, you will see the cheese on top of the sandwich. The Decent Beef was also made according to the instructions enclosed with the kit. Normally, I check the website for the specific instructions presuming they are the most updated version of the prep steps, so reason why the sandwiches were initially made differently. The Italian sub rolls or French bread rolls were slightly crushed. The rolls when unbaked or just warmed after loading with the beef, cheese, peppers, and giardiniera would fall apart when picked up. Baking the rolls until they were slightly toasted largely eliminated the problem. The kit has a home-cooked quality to it. Everything was fresh. While cooking you get a delicious aroma from the beef. The red peppers are sweeter than the usual green peppers. The prime rib is tasty and super tender but not mushy. The OU seems less salty than most. It is great tasting. The aged provolone complements the other components of the sandwich. The giardiniera added the taste of veggies and olives along with some heat. The heat is like a mild jalapeno. The Decent Beef was great tasting plus spicy and well seasoned. It is an extremely delicious sandwich. The Decent Beef was also made using only the meat and peppers. The beef was tasty and tender. The red peppers add sweetness to the sandwich. It seems less salty and sweeter than your typical Italian beef sandwich. The saltiness varies depending on the amount of the juice added. Overall, it is a delicious alternative Italian beef sandwich. The Duckin's Decent Beef Sandwich is a delicious alternative version of Chicago's famous Italian beef sandwich. It is a messy, delightful meal.